Tom, Lily, and Mia were three best friends who enjoyed playing together at school, sharing their interests and activities. They enjoyed playing games, eating snacks, and spending time together at lunch. Tom's dad built a cozy treehouse in his backyard, which they called their secret clubhouse. They spent many happy hours together, playing board games, telling stories, and watching birds in the trees. They were known as the inseparable trio, and everyone at school knew they were nearby. Every weekend, they planned new adventures, such as treasure hunts and picnics in the park. Their parents were happy to see them having fun together and often joining in their games. Tom, Lily, and Mia loved their friendship and couldn't imagine life without each other. They knew that they would always be best friends forever, and their bond made them feel happy and safe. Lily and Mia had a secret they kept from each other, a secret they both loved. Lily enjoyed Tom's kindness and laughter, while Mia enjoyed his adventurous nature. They kept their feelings a secret to avoid hurting each other's feelings. Lily would write about her feelings in her diary, while Mia would draw pictures of them on adventures. Despite their feelings, they continued to be the best friends, playing together, laughing, and sharing secrets. They also wondered if Tom liked either of them, but never asked. One day, while playing in their treehouse, Lily and Mia wished they could talk about their feelings, but were too scared. They hoped to support each other and figure out what to do together. As the days went by, they continued to keep their secret, hoping that Tom would notice them in a special way. They promised themselves to always be there for each other, even if it meant keeping the secret a little longer. Despite their secret feelings, Lily and Mia's friendship with Tom remained strong, enjoying their time together, playing games, having adventures, and making memories. Tom, a shy boy, had a secret about a girl named Emma. He admired her kindness and helpfulness, but he was too shy to tell her. He admired her for helping their teacher and playing nice with everyone. Tom found her stories about her pet rabbit, Snowball, interesting and enjoyed listening to them. One day, Tom saw Emma helping a younger student, and he was drawn to her gentleness and caring nature. He wished he could talk to her more, but was afraid of being teased. Instead, he kept his feelings a secret and tried to be friendly and kind. During recess, Tom played games near Emma, hoping she would notice him and think he was fun. One day, Emma joined a game of tag with Tom, Lily, and Mia, and they all laughed and ran around. Tom wished he could tell Emma how much fun he was, and maybe she would like him too. Despite his feelings for Emma, Tom valued his friendship with Lily and Mia, his best friends. He hoped to share his secret with them one day and get their advice. For now, Tom kept his feelings for Emma to himself, enjoying the times they talked and played together. On a sunny day, Tom, Lily, and Mia went to the park for a picnic. They enjoyed the park's swings, jungle gym, and tag game. Tom, who was it first, chased Lily and Mia around the park, while Lily and Mia hid. They had a fun time running and laughing together. After their picnic, Tom saw Emma, who had a cute puppy. He walked over to her, leaving Lily and Mia at the picnic. They felt sad and wished they could share their feelings with Tom. Tom chatted with Emma, petting her puppy and laughing at funny things. When Tom returned to the picnic, Lily and Mia didn't feel okay. They were happy to see Tom having fun, but they wished they could share their feelings too. They finished their picnic quietly, thinking about their secrets. They knew they had a great friendship and promised to always be there for each other. They continued to play and enjoy the rest of their sunny day at the park. Tom and Emma enjoyed a friendly and kind conversation at the park, where they discussed their favorite things to do and the fun tricks Sparky could do. Tom was amazed by Sparky's intelligence and asked Emma to show him. Tom was impressed by Sparky's tricks and was able to play with him anytime. Meanwhile, Lily and Mia watched from their picnic spot, feeling sad but not wanting to interrupt Tom's fun. Tom left them alone, and Lily and Mia tried to smile and be happy for Tom, but they still felt sad inside. Tom noticed their quieter behavior and worried about their friendship. Lily and Mia decided to enjoy the rest of their day at the park, but Lily and Mia were thinking about sharing their secret with Tom. As the sun set, the three friends packed up their belongings and headed home, knowing that honesty and friendship were the most important things. They promised to talk about their feelings soon, knowing that honesty and friendship were the most important things. After a day at the park, Lily and Mia decided to talk about their feelings for Tom. They decided to be honest and support each other, no matter what. Lily invited Mia to her house for a play date, and they shared their feelings for Tom, which they had been too afraid to tell anyone. Lily and Mia agreed to be honest with Tom, as they both felt that their friendship was strong enough to handle the secret. The next day, they decided to talk to Tom again, and they went to Tom's backyard treehouse. Tom was already setting up a new game for them to play, and Lily and Mia were ready for some fun. They shared their feelings with Tom, explaining that they both liked him and had been too afraid to say anything. They also expressed their value for their friendship and didn't want anything to change. Tom listened carefully and smiled, thanking Lily and Mia for sharing their feelings. He expressed his love for Emma, but also emphasized the importance of their friendship. Lily, Mia, and Tom all felt relieved, as they had been honest with each other, and their friendship was stronger than ever. They knew that they would always be there for each other, no matter what. Tom, Lily, and Mia were in a treehouse, feeling quiet and sad. They decided to talk about their feelings for Tom, which was a difficult conversation. Lily and Mia shared their feelings for Tom, but were afraid to tell them because they didn't want to hurt their friendship. Tom was surprised and touched by their honesty and understanding, as they knew their friendship was strong enough to handle the situation. Lily and Mia felt relieved, knowing that Tom's kindness and understanding made their friendship stronger. They also realized that being honest with each other was important, and they would always be there for each other. Their friendship was built on trust, honesty, and fun, and they were happy and content with their decision to be honest. Tom, Lily, and Mia decided to play a new board game called Treasure Island together, and they realized how lucky they were to have such amazing friends. Their friendship was built on trust, honesty, and a lot of fun, and they promised to always share their feelings and support each other, no matter what. With that promise, they knew they would always be best friends. Tom, Lily, and Mia were close friends who had recently learned the importance of honesty in their friendship. They realized that honesty made them feel happy and secure, and they made a promise to always tell each other the truth, even if it was difficult. This honesty helped them understand each other better and strengthen their bond. One day, Tom accidentally broke one of Mia's favorite toys, and he felt terrible for it. Mia appreciated Tom's honesty and helped him repair the toy together, making their bond stronger. Another time, Lily felt sad about her test performance and remembered their promise to be honest. Tom and Mia reassured her, saying that everyone has tough days and they would help her study for the next test. Lily felt better knowing her friends were there to support her, and their honesty and kindness made her feel stronger. Their friendship was built on honesty, making them feel happy and safe. As they grew older, they never forgot the lessons they learned about honesty, and it became the foundation of their strong and lasting friendship. They knew they would always be there for each other, no matter what. Tom, Lily, and Mia, 3 friends, learned the importance of honesty and understanding in their friendship. They shared their feelings in a treehouse, which helped them appreciate each other's feelings and strengthen their bond. Tom's understanding and acceptance made their friendship stronger, and they were grateful for their support. One day, Tom introduced Emma to Lily and Mia, and they all felt a sense of acceptance and understanding. They decided to include Emma in their games and have a great time together. Tom felt grateful for his friend's honesty, understanding, and acceptance, which created a lasting bond. As they grew older, they never forgot these lessons, and their friendship remained strong, supporting each other through life's adventures. They knew that understanding and accepting each other's feelings was the key to a lasting and happy friendship, and they knew they would always be best friends forever. Tom, Lily, and Mia, despite facing numerous challenges, maintained a strong friendship based on honesty, understanding, and acceptance. They shared stories, memories, and adventures, making each other happy and content. As the seasons changed, they continued to have fun, creating a book to remember their friendship. Tom suggested they create a book, showcasing their favorite memories and learning lessons about honesty, understanding, and acceptance. They worked on the book, gathering photos, drawing pictures, and writing stories about their adventures. As they grew older, they continued to make new memories and adventures, ensuring their friendship remained strong, and they would always be best friends forever. Tom, Lily, and Mia lived happily ever after, knowing their friendship was built on trust, love, and fun, and they would always have each other